Advantages of video marketing: more engaging, more targeted, more likely to convert. People tend to watch a shorter, engaging video versus a long, dry, boring article. Studies have shown that people are quicker to make a decision after seeing a video. They can watch your video and learn more from it. This is an advantage over the articles and content that they may not be as quick to read or even be able to figure out what they should not do after watching your video. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about video marketing, using YouTube as an excellent way to advertise your business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Use YouTube and other video production sites for the creation of your marketing campaign. You want to be visible and you want to be seen. Be sure to research the best YouTube and vlog production services available, and to find out which are the most popular and why. We have listed some of the advantages below. Advantages of video marketing: creating videos is the simplest way to get your message out and to engage your prospects. Many times you can make a video quickly. The video production pros have already done the hard work for you. All you have to do is upload it, let the pros do their magic, and reap the benefits. Below are some of the advantages of video marketing. As a video production company, we know that the most effective marketing video content, in terms of converting leads to customers, takes approximately 8 seconds. Therefore, your video production time is optimal. If you have a message that needs to be communicated within 8 seconds, there is no better format than a video. People like to stay on something they are interested in for a longer period of time. Another advantage to using online video as part of your internet marketing strategy is that the graphics and audio quality of many videos are excellent. This means that you can present your messages in a way that really resonates with your audience. Videos are easy to find, easy to produce, and offer immediate gratification. Unlike written content, which needs to be reviewed and edited, online video content can be immediately and easily provided to your audience. The result: advantages of online video content. Online video content offers unlimited ways to engage your prospects. As an example, if you are creating a training video, you may want to include several how-to videos. You could explain how to operate the features of your product or service. You may also provide an introduction to the personable nature of audiovisual communication. You could explain videos on topics such as how to build relationships effectively. In addition, you may want to explain the value of your product or service using storyboard-style components. YouTube has recently started to allow users to have more control over the video length of their advertisement. Currently, YouTube restricts the number of minutes that a video can take. Many businesses have utilized this feature to create powerful marketing videos that effectively engage their prospects. If you run a Facebook page, you should seriously consider using YouTube for video length as it can reach an extremely wide audience. A great example of a video that was used to engage prospects is a video by Martha Stewart, in which she discusses problems she has faced in her business. In the video, she shows several times how she solves each problem and then shares her solution in a humorous manner. Viewers really got a laugh and learned a bit about her personality and approach to problem solving. It's a great example of a video marketing campaign that incorporated humor and built trust. Thanks for watching my video about video marketing. Using YouTube as an excellent way to advertise your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.